Ellie, show it to Daddy. Look at you. Look at you. Nakita siya ng langgam. Ant daw, ant. Brush. Not me. That's yours. I have my toothbrush. That's your that's Ellie's toothbrush. Gi. Ellie. Nakita naman siya bear. Good morning, guys. Say good morning. Morning. Good morning. Natatalian ko na yung buhok niya, oh. Ay, suotin mo din ang headband ni Mami. Ellie, put it on. Put it on your head. Come here, like this. Hang on.
So when are their classes? Yeah, I have to register with the VIN.
Ellie, show it to Daddy. Look at you. Look at you. You're so cute there.
Because it don't really.
Ellie.
They're just saying you have to register within that year, so they
Eliana.
certain time frames when they're got classes.
Ang cute ng tali niya. Binilhan ko siya ng tali sa may, store. Tapos, nagpapatali na siya. Okay, Mommy will put it on. Okay. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Okay. There you go. Look at Mommy. Oh, ang cute naman. Ang cute naman. Ellie. Ellie.
Why is the VIN shorter on this one?
Mommy, to put it on again. Okay, give it to Mommy then. Give it to Mommy. Thank you. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Gusto niya headband kayo. Bilan kaya kita headband, babe. Wait lang. Oh, the cute naman. Babe, look at her, babe. Babe, look. Babe, look at Ellie.
Oh, you're so cute.
You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Wow, you like the headband, huh? Okay. Okay, one more, one more. Oh, hang on.
So I would have to go July, let's see, August.
Cute naman. Look at you. Ellie. Ellie. Look at Mommy.
I can do like September 30th.
May bangs ikaw, may bangs. May bangs ikaw, One more. Okay, last one. Hang on. Oh, si Kindly. Si Kindly. Where's Kindly? Where's Kindly? Where's Kindly? Where is she? Where? Where's Kindly? Where did she go?
Hey Google, is the Ranger Master assault course free to attend
Where?
for owners?
Where's Kindly? Where's Kindly? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's Kindly, yeah. Is it Kindly? Is that Kindly? Ayan o, nagdig si Kindly doon, guys.
So yeah, maybe I should just go and fly out, but I
Si
got to
Kindly!
go. Okay, in a minute.
That is going to work. Kiss Ellie, babe.
Bye-bye.
She let me tie her hair.
Come here.
Look at her hair.
Okay, bye-bye.
It's long now.
Bye-bye.
Mm.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Daddy, go to work now.
That is going to work.
Okay,
Good
bye-bye.
day at work.
See you later.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye,
Have a
Daddy.
good day.
Love you. Say bye-bye. Love you.
Let's see you in a
Love
little bit.
you.
Don't let Kinsley dig. Look at that dog.
Bye. Have a nice day at work.
Aki. Kakakain lang ni Ellie. Dali, let me show you your bunny. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Show you your bunny. Let me show you your bunny. Right there. It's your bunny. Right there, oh. Ayun, oh. Bunny. Ah. Let me grab it for you. This is your bunny. Bunny. Are you happy? Show it to grandma. Show it to grandma. Aww. Is that soft? May sipon ka, girl. You wipe your nose. Is that your bunny? Bunny? You like your bunny? That's a big one. Yeah, that's hot. Hot daw yung coffee. Is that your bunny, Ellie? Are you bunny?
Dumped the hot coffee out of yesterday.
Oh, she did? Oh, no. Okay. Give it to mommy. Thank you. Thank you. You don't want the bunny? Oh. So cute. Taray naman, Barbie ang damit ah. Hi guys! So today may pasok ako pero magmomo ata ka maya-maya. Pero last day na namin, ay hindi, last day. 2 days pa pala. May 2 days pa kami dito sa Virginia bago kami umalis. Papuntang Michigan. So kailangan gawin na namin yung mga kailangan namin gawin and mamaya mag-aano kami na tapos gagawa kami ng video para sa isang channel. And yung grass kasi namin medyo maano-ano na rin eh. Medyo maano na rin yung tubo. Taray, nagtututbrush si madam. Brushing your teeth. Yeah. Pag gusto niya magtutbrush, sabi niya, teeth, teeth, teeth. Teeth, 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 teeth. Are you brushing your teeth, huh? Brush, brush, brush. Like this, Ellie, oh. Brush. 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 Not me. That's yours. I have my toothbrush. That's Ellie's toothbrush. That's Ellie's toothbrush. Brush it. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Not for the eyes, just for the teeth. Dali, brush it. Good job. Good job. Naglalaroan niya, tapos inaano niya, ginagaya niya kami pag magtututbrush siya. Kasi nakikita niya kami pag nagtututbrush, so ginagaya niya kami. Tapos, pag nakita niya yung toothbrush niya na nakalagay sa may doon sa may CR, basta makita niya, abot ng paningin niya, sabihin niya, toothbrush. Wala kami masyadong ganap today, kundi tawag nito, maglinis, mag-impake. Kasi ito na yung dadali namin isang maleta. Isa lang maleta para sa aming tatlo. Kasi hindi naman kami madadala ng maraming damit. Although, mga 1 week mahigit kami doon, almost 2 weeks din. Kasi madami kaming ganap pagpunta namin doon. Bibisita sa pamilya ni Travis, tapos magka-camping, punta ng Sand Dunes, punta ng Mackinac Island. Itutour ko kayo sa Mackinac Island, guys. Ang ganda niya. Napanood ko kasi yung isang movie na doon sinot yung movie na yun, yung Somewhere in Time. Maganda siya. Pero we'll see kung anong itsura niya ngayon kasi matagal na nilang sinot yun, mga 1980 ata daw. So, punta kami doon next week. Katatapos ko lang mag-impake ng iba naming gamit, guys. At itong si Ellie, ang collar ni Kinsley. Nilagay sa leg niya, oh. Loko-loko ka talagang bata ka. No. Ganda ng guys, puno, oh, ng kapitbahay namin. Dito yan sa may street. Sa may mga daanan. Diba? Ellie? Cute. May iba na kulay purple, may iba na white. Pero bihira ako makakita ng white. Pero ang ganda ng kulay ng pink, no? Ay, yung isa sa tapat namin medyo light yung pink niya. Pagka-light. Diba? Nakita siya ng langgam. Ant daw, ant. Saan? Where? Ayun, no? Here, oh, Ellie, ant. Yeah. You're not walking down there. No. What?
Alright, babe.
Hot, yeah. Where's the ant? Where's the ant? She sees some ants, babe. Where? Where's the ant? Burag-kurik talaga, oh. Hawak-hawak niya pa rin yung collar. Where's the ant? Where? There you go, you found it. found it. Ant.
Oh yeah, she was
Yeah.
yesterday. She seen an ant and she's like, ant.
Ant. Ant. Okay, come on.
A few moments later.
So it's gonna be by
Hi
the
guys,
swimsuit.
nasa Walmart kami and naghahanap kami ng swimming pants for Ellie.
It's gonna be somewhere around
Oh. Gi. Ellie. Ang bilis maglakad oh.
over here somewhere.
Ellie. F10.
So maybe down there. Is it one of these?
Is that a ball? Where's the ball? Ellie. Where's the ball? Oh, nakita niyo. Look at her, ano. She see the ball there.
Oh. Come on now. Yeah, we should go back by the toys. They're like 99 cents.
I know the ball. Bumili kami sa Dollar General. $5. Tapos sabi ni Travis dito daw, $1 lang.
It could be down one of these aisles.
Where's the ball, Ellie? She's looking for the ball. No. Ellie, do not touch
Yeah,
it.
it have to be one of these aisles. I wonder if F7 is.
Hanap kami ng ano ni Ellie. Swimming pants. Kaya pag pumunta kami sa Michigan, baka maligo kami guys. It's probably down there, babe. Oh, right there. Mom found it.
On the end.
Look at her. Oh, ito yung balak namin ilagay.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Swimming pants.
But what's the purpose of that? What does it even do? This isn't gonna hold nothing in.
Yeah, it says, well, like the reviews were saying how it holds.
Ellie! Nakakita naman siya bear.
She say so cute.
I don't know.
Ellie, so cute.
You have plenty of toys.
Okay, I'm gonna carry it.
Okay, and then, try namin to guys.
Come on. You wanna go see the ball?
Okay.
Where's the ball?
Where's the ball? Go find the ball. Linong mata ni Ellie sa ball. So makita niyo yung ball daw. Bilis magla. Look at her. Where's the ball, Ellie? Go find the ball.
Where's the toys?
We seen the ball down there.
No, that's grocery. It's gotta be this one.
Look for the toys. He's looking for the ball. Yeah, the ball that we bought. Yeah. I wonder how much they are here. Because we bought it at Dollar General at $5, ma, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, ang cute. That's so cute. Oh, nakita niya malaking ball. She sees the big ball.
It's like kickballs.
Yeah, but that one is $9.
Yeah, those are expensive. Those are kickballs.
That's a big ball.
Oh my god, look ma! Only $2. And it's bigger. Wow! That's a big one, Ellie. Eliana, you want that? But that's big. Yeah?
It is big.
You like the ball? Here's a purple one. You want the purple one?
Poo-poo. Oh, she said poo-poo. Purple. Oh, wow. Look. Hey,
That was short-lived.
saglit lang, nasawa agad. Ball. You don't like the purple one?
She don't.
Okay,
she
let's
don't
go
know
now.
which one she wants.
Let's go now. Okay guys, uwi na kami. Ito lang talaga yung ano namin, tsaka itong swim training pants na itatry namin kay Ellie. So yun lang guys ang ating vlog. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!